Well, as you can see, a little frosty out here. The bird's all covered in ice. I feel like very cold, but it's 28 degrees out here in Emory, Texas, and the bird is fixing to get a ceramic coating. So she's fixing to get a good bath and protection, because I like my bird looking sexy, and she's gonna look real good after we get all this done. So we're going to show you some before and after pictures, but ceramic coating, she's gonna look good. Looking good, all fresh and clean. Absolutely. Look how shiny stuff already is. Clean. With a level of detail. Clean all that mess up. Looks new. Getting there. He's just starting. Carpet, everything. All gonna be done. Beautiful. Sometimes you just gotta speak Greek to it for it to understand your commands, you know? Ooh, look at that.
Shiny.
Wheels look all good and glossy. That wet look looks better on them. Black wheels. The old Merc's looking good. I think that's only the second time that cover's been off of it.
Is that right?
Yeah.
It's well protected. It's got a few splatters on the front, but I'll polish on it.
You know, you got to keep the bugs off of it, and that's the best way to do it.
Yeah, it really is.
Around here, you get them gnats.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think we get them as bad as you.
And they don't like to come off.
Yeah. This will help.
Party.